So why are we going to the property today?
Because I'm letting my dog run. That's what I do. I do all kinds of stuff for that dog.
Life of Royally.
Stay. Stay. Okay. Well, we've taken a couple of weeks off for the holidays and for weather. We've had about a week and a half of pretty good storms. As you can see, we got a little bit of snow out here. Started to melt off the last day or so, but still quite a bit. Because of that, we haven't had a lot of work to do on the shop and on the house. The footers have been stored and we're ready and waiting for weather to clear off. We're waiting for the snow to melt on the footers so that we can begin putting out the ICFs. Right now they're in storage in the shop, which is a good thing and why I built it in the first place. It's so that I had an area to store materials during bad weather and during winter, and then I'm able to continue to work out of it. We have a good day today. One thing we were able to get done prior to all this snow was getting the side door in and fitted. First time I've ever put in a door and gotten it right the first time was pretty nice. The main garage door is still on its way. We do know that it's shipped and should be here probably in the next week and a half, and then we'll go to put that in. Does the simple job of installing a door bring me joy? Such a simple yet profound question. And the answer is a resounding yes.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
If your decisions feel like burdens, then you're not filling your life with things that bring you joy. Modern life is complicated. It can feel like our attention must be divided into a million different places. At least I know that's how I feel at times. And many of us are already overextended, yet we still try to pack more into an already overbooked calendar. But sometimes, having more responsibilities leads to more anxiety, more headaches, or more exhaustion, and certainly not necessarily more joy. Ultimately, if this pattern continues unchecked for too long, we inevitably burn out. I believe the solution to subtract, rather than to add, is the solution to that problem. Taking away things can minimize our sources of stress and drastically increase our overall joy. When we remove what's unnecessary, we are left only with things that are of true value, things that truly bring us joy and enhance our lives. Simplicity creates more energy and mental clarity. Decisions become easier when options are limited. This saves us time and precious mental energy, which we can use then to redirect towards things that bring us joy.
Into your eyes and see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But yeah, I do remember. will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go? It's time to surrender now that it's ended. Nothing to say, 'cause guess we've said it all. Now why do we care to dream? Guess we wanna believe that it's not too late. And why do we care to dream? We gotta believe it is not too I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. Did what we could, my friend, but now we're at the end.
Well, with that, I got the side garage door in. I've just got to foam around it to seal it in, and then should be good to go. I still got to get locks for it and but got one door in. I'm still waiting on the main garage door, and then we'll get that one put in here pretty quick as well. Well, I'm grabbing the last of the ICFs, and those are pretty tall against the truck. I certainly do some sketchy stuff, but this is making me a little nervous, but we'll make it there, take it slow and make it safe. But sketchy is the word of the day. Well, I certainly had hoped to be able to start doing the stem walls for the house. But as you can see, over this last week and a half, 2 weeks, we've gotten quite a bit of snow. So we're gonna have to wait until a lot of this melts off so they can actually get to the footers and do it easily without a lot of buildup. One of the big problems with this and why I haven't done any ICF work yet is just for that reason. I put the ICF walls up. I don't want them to fill with snow and get icy inside, because then it just makes it difficult. I can't rely on the warm concrete to clear out the ICFs. So we'll hold off on that. Hopefully not much longer, but we'll see what happens. Well, all of the ICFs have been put into the shop since we've got a lot of winter weather still ahead of us, and we haven't had a chance to actually put them out and start setting them up on the footer forms. But we've got everything ready when we get ready to do ICFs. In our next video, I'm hoping to get the rest of the soffits completed and hopefully some of the trim on. At least that's the goal anyway. It should be doable. We've got a week of some fairly nice weather like today, so that will allow some melt off and allow some areas to get some things done. Anyway, that's my hope. Like I said, we've been off schedule for about a week and a half due to heavy snows, and so now we're back at it and going to get to it. If you like this sort of thing, please remember to like and subscribe. Please leave some comments down below. It always is great. And hopefully here in the near future, we're going to start doing a YouTube live session. So stay tuned for that as well. And thanks for watching.